Hello, welcome back to the Cloud Wallet. Here in this video, we are going to see how to send the email notification by using Flow. This is a second video. In first video, we have seen one option to send the email notification by using Flow. Now I'll tell you another option how we can send it. So first thing, before creating Flow, we have to create the email template. So let's go to the classic email template. So here type email template. So we have classic email template option. You can create the email template from here. So for this example purpose, I have created one email template over here. This thank you email template which we will use for this demo. Okay. So first you have to create template. Now we'll go ahead and we'll create the flow. So to send this notification, we'll take scenario as once lead get generated, we'll send the email notification. Okay. So let's create flow. Click on new flow. So once we click on new flow, so you have to select the type of flow. So here you select the record trigger flow as we need to send notification on the creation of record. So we'll select the trigger flow, and here we have to select the object as a lead object. Then when we need to send the notification on creation, so we'll select first option. Then is there any condition? No, we don't have any condition. So every lead we need to send the notification. So we not mention in condition. Okay. Then next step what we have to do. Now this is the first step which we have done on our flow. The second thing what we have to do over here. Here we need to fetch the email template first. Okay. So how to fetch the email template? So you just use the get record element over here in the flow. So which record you want to get email template. Okay, just give name as a get email template as we need to fetch the email template. Here in the object you select the email template object. So just type email template. So you'll find one email template object. You just select email template object. Which email template you need to fetch? So here what we'll do, we'll add the condition name. So always compare this developer name equals which email template you need to fetch. So just specify the value over here. So which template you need to fetch, just go here in the setup and find name of that email template. So I'll type classic email template. We'll just copy that name of template and we'll add it over here. So just go ahead and thank you for inquiry, this template we are going to use. Just select the unique name, and here what we'll do, we'll use create one variable type of text variable. Okay, just create a variable email template name. Okay, so data type should be, we'll select text as a data type, and in default value we'll add email template name. So this variable we'll select over here. So email template name we have selected. So now, and next, what how many records we want? So only the first record we'll select, then automatically store all the fields. So what this step will do, it will go to the classic email, it will fetch the email template from the classic email template. This email template we'll use on next stage. So once done with the email template, next thing we have to do is we have to send the notification. Just use the send email option. Okay, so here send email notification. Okay, so APN email. Now here you can see, here we'll have different option. Either you, if you want to use the email template, then we can pass the email template. Otherwise we can directly type body as well as recipient over here. Also we can mention the subject. So instead of writing body and subject over here, we'll select the email template. So just add this option, click on this uh, toggle, and we'll find this option to select the email template. Which email template we need to set up over here. So this email template we already fetched from the get record. So that email template dot id we will select. Okay. So here you can see email template id we have selected now. Now whom you need to send this? So we'll select the recipient IDs. Okay. So here you can see recipient address collection we can pass, but now right now what we'll do, we'll send the recipient IDs because we are going to send it for lead. So here you can see if you want to send it for a lead, contact or personal account, then we can select the recipient ID. So here what we'll do, we'll select the recipient ID. So how we are going to get the recipient ID? Here current record will select. We'll select current record dot ID. So in current record dot id, next we have other option like if you want to relate this record to the particular customer standard object, then we can relate it to the particular record. If you want to attach the rich text formatted body, you can select from here. Sender type, subject if you want to include, but right now we have selected email template, so we don't need to pass the body and the subject. Okay, so you can decide how you want to go ahead. If you don't want to create the template, you can use this option like you can select the body. Okay, you just have to click on include and then you have to pass the body. Like you just click on include, so here you have to pass the body. So how you can pass, you can create one variable text template type and you can store that body over there and you can use that. Otherwise, like we have done it over here, you can select the template. Next option, log email and send. For example, if you want to log this email on the activities timeline like this, I'll show you. Here you can see activity is there. So if you want to log that email on this timeline, then we have to select this option, log email. Okay. If you want to send it for multiple email addresses, then we can add recipient collection over here. That means we can just create one list list and add collect all email ID and we can pass it over here. So this recipient address list also there, so we can use that also. So now we have selected template and recipient ID. Just click on done and save it. Send email alert. Save it. I think a name is already exists, so let me give some another name. That one. I'm just changing the API name. Now it's done. You can just activate and we can test that. So how to test it? Just go to the lead, create new lead. I can select any of the record type and here pass the name. Okay, just pass the name. Then mobile number is required. My this is my org 9297. Okay, then we need to pass the email ID. So I'll pass my email ID. Okay, and now what you can do, you can just click on save. Once record gets saved, system will send the notification. So let's add Cloud Valley, save it. Okay, the lead got created. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and check our email record. Now you can see, thank you for inquiry. This email notification we have received. So this is how we can send notification by using the flow. So in previous example, we have used the email notification, email alert option. Okay, that time we have to create the workflow email alert, and that email alert we have used over here. But for this example, we have not used email alert. We have directly assigning template as well as recipient from here itself. Okay, and we can send the email. So this is how we can create a flow to send the notification.